Hello and welcome to Web3 Insights. My name is Ray, and before I start, I want to say that the information that I'm sharing with you in this channel is not financial advice. It's simply for educational and entertainment purposes. Okay. That being said, let's delve into today's topic. So today we are we're going to discuss an event that's coming up in Dubai this year in May 2025. Okay, so this event is called Sui Basecamp. Okay, and it will be held in Dubai. Now, why is this important? Now, this is an important announcement that was made. If you go on the X account for Sui, all right, so that's where the announcement was made, saying tickets for Sui Basecamp 2025 are now on sale, right? So May the first and second in Dubai. Get your ticket now before prices increase. Now, I'll show you what they mean by that because I've been looking at the prices, and so yeah, you want to do it early if you want to attend. So let's get a quick understanding of Sui Basecamp. Okay, so if you go to the Sui Foundation website, on the blog, they talk about the Basecamp event. All right. So the first Sui Basecamp was held last year in 2024, and this was in Paris, France. Okay, so let's just read to get an understanding of what it's about. So Sui Basecamp was the biggest event for the Sui community, including the builders, developers, partners, investors, and companies working with the most advanced blockchain in history. Okay, so that's available on the Sui Foundation website, and so basically, this is an event for the Sui community to where they go and learn and engage to understand what is the project about, and what are the opportunities. uh, Whoever you are, if you are coming from a builder's point of view, a developer, you get to know the software they're using and how you can come in, if there are incentives for builders and all that, and companies that would want to work with the Sui blockchain as well. So it's an event for everyone, and then for users as well, you can go and learn more and see what are the opportunities for you. So now let's go back to this page here. I'll put links in the description below to understand more of what you need to do, right? So this video, it's it's mainly for people who are bullish on Sui, for the Sui community, people who are interested in Sui, and also people who want to know. You might not um, you might not know about this project yet, but this gives you an opportunity to know more about it. Okay, so what do you need to do? So the first thing you need to do is you want to register for this event if you want to attend, right? So I'll go down this website. So this website is they use we call this kind of website a landing page. So you just need to scroll down as you go, and then the pages just change, right? So they tell you about, okay, so here previously attended by visionaries from around the world, and you can see some names here. A16Z, one of the people who've been, people in project that's been like, making a lot of noise in the crypto space. Axela, Binance, Franklin Templeton, Google, Visa, Van Eck, Pith Network, Ondo. Yeah. So some of them. And then now tickets. How do you get the tickets? Now, very important. This part is important. So how do you need to get your tickets? Okay, so the tickets, there is an early bird uh, pricing. Okay, so the full price for the ticket is $299. Okay, that's the conference pass. But if you are to buy now, you pay $99. Okay, now they say the price will increase on the 4th of March, right? So if you are to register now, you would click on this button here, and it will take you to the form. Okay, so if you come here, then there's a form underneath where you need to register, put your details, input your details, email, blah blah blah. You put all the things here, and then you just continue until you get to the page where you need to pay. Okay, so that's for the people who want to save. You save. This is a big saving because you're saving like $200. Okay, you only pay 99. But if you are planning to go and then you are going to wait and procrastinate, and then if you're gonna get your prize after 4th of March, then you're gonna pay way more than people who are gonna buy, it's before the 4th of March. Okay, so that's regarding the prices. Okay, now if you keep scrolling down, right, you come to a part where it shows you um, who are the people sponsoring this event. So these are the sponsors. Okay, so in sponsors, so what I realized is that most of these sponsors, these are projects building on Sui, right? So you've got Artinals, Cetus, which is a DEX on Sui, Phantom. Now, Phantom is a well-known wallet, and these guys are coming from Solana project, but they're now also available on Sui. Okay, Carrier One is I think it's a deepin project, and Navi, I think it's an aggregator kind of project. And then you have now, if you see, Phantom and Artinals and Cetus, these are diamond sponsors. Okay, so these are the major sponsors. Then you've got platinum sponsors like Navi and Carrier One. Then you've got gold sponsor Antithesis, Bucket Protocol, Silver, Scallop, and Tables. These are okay. Tables is bronze. Okay, so it just shows how much uh, sponsorship they've done. So there'll be big sponsors and then the small sponsors, right? Okay, all good. So so of course there's going to be a lot of speakers. I think these numbers are coming. Okay, so there'll be 100 plus speakers and 560 plus companies, partners and all that. It's going to be a big event. I mean, if we look at uh, what I was looking at from what happened last year, because if I just go back to this page, uh, just gives you the numbers. So if you look at um, in Paris last year, so okay, Sui Mainnet launched last year, and community events around the world helped builders understand the potential for this groundbreaking blockchain technology. But Sui Basecamp showed that Sui has truly arrived. Okay, over 1,100 people from 165 countries attended. So you can see, held in Paris, over 100 speakers. So it's quite a big event. So now, if you had these numbers last year, obviously this is the second event, a different location in Dubai. Obviously, these numbers, they might double or triple. Okay, so I know um, uh, the Sui Basecamp 2025 is going to be a big event because there's lots going on. I've been following this project. I know there's lots of things they're building. They're doing Walrus protocol, which is going to be like a decentralized storage. They've launched Deep Book, which is a kind of a liquidity layer that is going to be there. So there's many projects that are building. So from 2024, more and more projects have come to build on this project. And why is that? Because Sui is said to have, like, cutting edge technology in regards to blockchain technologies, kind of one of the best. They're using a language called the Move language, which is makes it easy, it's object oriented, and allows for more possibilities within the blockchain space, in contrast to the what's been used before, like Solidity and Rust. Okay. Anyways, moving on. So about the event. So what is Sui Basecamp 2025? All right. So all you need is to click here and it should show you more information, right? So Sui Basecamp is Sui's flagship annual event, showcasing the latest product updates, developer solutions, technological advancements, and collaborations within the Sui network. It's a two-day gathering of partners, developers, builders, VCs, entrepreneurs, and crypto enthusiasts, celebrating innovation and the global Sui community. So yeah, it is a big event, especially for Sui community. It's really, really big, and I'm looking forward to this event. And I want to grab my ticket, my pass, as soon as possible. So when and where will the event be held, right? So they give you all the information. Sui Basecamp will take place on May the 1st and the 2nd in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The event's venue, they give you the Intercontinental Dubai Festival City, located in the festival city area in Dubai. Now, this is very important if you are coming to this event, because now it allows you to do your bookings of hotels. You now know where the area is, and you want to kind of get a place which is much nearer to the event and all that. Okay. Um, then somebody asked, is there a dress code? No specific dress code. However, we encourage attendees to dress comfortably while being respectful of local customs and cultural norms. Okay, now this is important because in Dubai they have different cultures. If you're coming from the West, so you find that you might wanna do a bit of research in understanding the norms, so that you don't end up in trouble with the police. So just it's advised to, whenever you travel, you want to understand the do's and don'ts of wherever you're going, right? So yeah, so you can learn more. There is an app as well which you can download, a mobile app. How do I register for Sui Basecamp? So tells you that just go to this website and where I showed you, and then you do your registration. That page I was on. Now, another important part: how much does a Sui pass? How much does a pass to Sui Basecamp cost? Right now, the full price of a standard pass is 299 USD, right? US dollars. An early bird price of $99 is available from 4th of February, that was yesterday, to March the 3rd. So that's the early bird price. So if you are buying between now and the 3rd of March, you are buying it at a price of 99. And the discounted price of 149 USD is available from 4th of March to April the 8th. So in this case now, you are paying $150, okay, because you've been discounted 149 up to April the 8th. And then if you are to buy this pass after the 8th of April, you are now paying the full price. Okay. So I think this is very important information if you are going to attend, because it's a huge saving if you do it earlier. Okay. And another question: what's included with a standard pass for Sui Basecamp, right? So now a standard pass grants you access to both days of the event. So you don't need to buy two passes for day one and day two, right? So this gives gives you access to both days of the event, May the 1st and the 2nd, including all key presentations, insights from industry leaders, programming workshops, networking opportunities, and the official evening events. So, in other words, this gives you access to all the events basically. Now, next question is where can I find my event tickets? All right, so tells you here your event ticket will be sent to your registered email address as soon as you register. So once you register on that page I showed you, um, they will send you your pass to the email that you've used. If you cannot find it, then they've got an email of how to contact them and they'll give you help. Okay. um, and then there's information about press attendance. How do I pick up my badge for the event? So now you've arrived. Where is the badge? Uh, badge, badge, badge pickup will be available starting on Wednesday. All right. So April 30th. Yeah, because the actual events, 1st of May, which is a Tuesday, which is a Thursday, and and yes, so which is April on Wednesday, right? So and then they say exact hours will be posted as we get closer to the event, right? So we know you pick it up on Wednesday, and the hours will be given. Bring your email confirmation and a government issued ID to the event registration counter at Sui Basecamp to receive your badge. Note that you can only collect your own badge. You cannot pick up a badge for someone else. So, so obviously, whoever is registered is the same person. You can't say, "Oh, maybe I can't go. I'll give my details or my ID to somebody else." No, that won't work. Okay, so okay, then they talk about visa. Do I need a visa to travel to Dubai? Now that depends with your country and where you are coming from. Okay, because with visa restrictions they vary for different countries. Then hotel accommodations included with my registration pass. Okay, so these are important questions because so you don't want to assume things, right? So no, hotel accommodations are not included with your registration pass. So what this means is you will need to organize or sort out your own accommodation. All right, because the pass doesn't come with that. It's not included. Then there's accessibility requirements if you need them, inquiries that are not listed here. If you want any other support, they can tell you who you need to get in touch with. There's media, sponsorship, events, ticketing. There's all the emails there. Okay. Now, well, I thought this was very important because when I saw the information or the post on X yesterday, I said, "Oh, this is really information, and I really would want to do a video so that people who are the Sui community can be aware of this event, and because there's the time is going to affect the price of the pass. So I thought, oh, let me just quickly do a video so that those people who are in the community and who want to attend, they can save some money by getting the pass earlier. And it's not only the pass. If you are attending this event, obviously you would want to get your flight tickets as soon as possible because I know again as time moves on those prices will start going higher and higher. Okay, so you want to just do everything while there's time because your hotels, everything, you end up paying loads of money when you could have saved a lot of money. Okay, so I think for somebody who's bullish on Sui, the price for the pass right now is at a very reasonable price, and and I think this event is going to be packed and very, very exciting. Now that being said, I'm going to end the video right now, and you know I'll see you again next time when I bring in another video. Okay, thank you very much.